I will teach you how to bend 3 B-cut for B-cut for the 90 degrees of cable tray. This is our cable tray, 100 by 100 mm.
बनी योची का cable tray है 3 B-cut था 90 degree है.
This is our formula. Formula 100 times 1.6 equals 160. Divide 2 equals 80 mm or 80 centimeter. That is our B-cut. For example,
Yes.
this is the result of Abu Dhabi.
Yes.
This is 100 times 1.6. This is direct 90 degrees like this. Yeah. But if you divide to, the cable tray make like this. Yeah. That is make like this. Now I need 3 bed, 3 cut like this. This is 7 cm. 7 cm also here.
But up.
This is travel.
Yes, the travel cut.
Yeah. Travel also this one. They will make bend like this. So I will proceed for this one. 100 again times 1.60. 100 times 1.6.
Yes. Have.
100 times 1.6 equals 160. For to be cut, this is the result is 80 mm or 80 centimeter for to be cut. But now you make 3 B cut for this one. Like this, they make like this.
Yes.
Speak Buni.
Boni, you check a 3 B-cut the same like this, huh? You malum, api malum.
Okay now. They make 3 B cut so that they will divide into 3 B cut. The answer is 100 times 1.6 equals 160. Divide 3 equals 53.3 millimeter or 5.33 centimeter. That is 3 B cut. This one the result.
Yes.
So if they make like this, our cable tray make like this. Like this. 3 B cut. 1, 2. Another one is like this. 3 B cut. No good drawing ah. Ini ya.
Boni, you check your mind, huh? Sirmutain tam api malum.
Now they will cut our cable tray. For example, this was our cable tray. You check the camera. Hindi ba?
Yes, the camera good.
Check.
Yes, no problem.
I will cut this one.
My photographer is good. You sample check, huh, Boni?
This is our sample.
You correct, no correct, the 90 degree 00, huh? But you coming Philippines to Saudi Arabia, you check in here, na.
Now 1, 2, 1 cutting.
One trouble, remove, huh?
You use a hacksaw or a grinder. If you cut this one.
Calendar, hexo, no
We
problem.
cut, but this one, this is
This one,
carton.
the hexo good, huh?
Only a sample of this one sample.
You hexo good, no problem. But the
Only
calendar
a
quite.
sample for this one. This is the sample. So if you try to cutting, you make sample. With isa carton, isa better. So that if you make in actual, you understand that is correct. Now I will bend like this. This 1, 2, 3.
Good.
That is 3 bend of or 90 degrees cable tray. So I will put it here so that they will make it straight. This is our reference. We'll show.
So.
Oh, you make like this. Yeah. Pardon. Bune. I said Mujibay.
Yes, yes.
This is the treatment of our cable tray. This is the, if you can see, you see this one, this is our this one, you see this one,
Oh, nice.
this one. Because this is our reference that this is our cutting is 90 degrees. This is the treatment. Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
perfect.
perfect.
90 degree.
Yeah. This is the treatment.
Yes, sir.
This is our formula only. Very, very simple.
Now you mind easy. Now you mind you coming, huh?
Very simple.
Very simple ada.
Yeah. That is very simple.
Semuta inta maaf malum.
This is
Boni.
very simple. If you make if you make 90 degrees only to be cut, 100. This is a formula. 100 times 1.6
Two remaining.
equals 160. Divide 2 is 80 millimeter or 80 centimeter to be cut. But if you need 3 be cut, the same also, the same procedure. 100 also times 1.6, but you divide into 3. That is the result is 5.33 or
Correct.
53 millimeter, 53.3 millimeter or 5.33 centimeter. That is the big cut. This one that will make. This is the 3 big cut. This is a 100 by 100. Table 3, for example, this one. Hold Mujibay. 100 by 100. 100 by 100 mm. This is the cable tray. So the way you cut this one, 5.33 cm, 5.33. You make this another side 2.6, 2.6 also here, 2.6 also here, 2.6, 2.6. That is the big cut. For example, this one. I will put this one. Yeah. That is 5.33, 2.6 here. cm, cm. 2.6 also here. 2.6 also here. The same. The same, 2.6. 2.6 cm. 2.6 cm. Also this one, 2.6 cm. 2.6 cm. Okay. This one. Okay guys, this my friend Mujibay, he is working for this cable tray.
Yes, yes.
All cable tray, he make this one. He knows but how to, only this one is fabricated only. Yes. That's why he will need cutting. How many months finish this one?
Maybe 1 month. 2
1 month, huh?
1 month we will finish.
He worked this one. But he did not know how to fabricate, but this one is a normal bend only. This is a ladder type cable tray. Ladder type. Suhay Tagalog. This guy, number 1 electrician, will teach him also for the cutting for the cable tray. Yes. Guys, nagkatagalugan na naman natin to. Ito pala kung paano magbending ng tatlong bikat sa cable tray natin na 90 degrees. Ito lang yung formula natin guys. Halimbawa yung natin, yung cable tray, ang size niya is 100 by 100. 100 by 100, ito yung formula. 100 times 1.6 equals 160. Pag 160, yun ang direct bikat. Direct bend ito. Pag pag naka 160 ka, yan. Ito 160 ito. Diniretso mo cutting ng ganyan. 160. Magiging ganyan yan. Direct. Ganito yan. This is the one like this. If you make like this one 160. 160 millimeter. But you divide natin yung 160.
Only this one like L like this one 160.
One time only.
One time only like?
Yes, 160.
160, huh?
Yeah, one time 160.
Only L, eh?
Yeah, L. No sim like this.
Only
No sim like this.
160, huh?
Only like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Only
160.
160.
This is 160. Yes. So that you will make this is na 90 degrees. This is the 90. Ito 90 degrees natin. This is ito yung 45 degrees natin. Is 45 degrees. 80. But if you make like this, for example, like this, yeah, like that, 40 cm also. Yeah. That's why 80 in millimeter 80, but in centimeter 8 centimeter. Ito sa guys, i-divide natin yung mga 60 na 90 degrees, i-divide mo sa to, magiging 45 degrees na siya. 80 mm ang babawas natin, tapos 8 cm pag sa centimeter. Ito yung bigat natin pag 2 cut only, 2 cut, dalawang cut lang. Yung dalawang cut lang kagaya nito. Kagaya nito, dalawang cut, ganyan. Yeah, like this. 2 cut. But this one, you make 3 bend, 3 cut. So, para magawa natin ulit yung yung 3 cut, 100 ulit tayo, times 1.6 equals 160 divide 3 na. Kasi 3 cut na yung gagamitin natin eh. Sura, 3 cut oh. Yan. 3 cut na, kaya naging i-divide sa natin sa 3. Ito yung kinalabasan niya, 53.3 mm or 5.33 cm. Ito yung 3 bigat natin guys. Ito lang yung formula guys, tandaan nyo lang. Sa mga nanonood, sa mga baguhan, mga beginners, new. So that I understand if we make cable 3 bigat. Ginagawa lang natin yung 3 bigat para mahaba ang radius ng natin, 90 degrees. They make long radius. If they make 3 bigat, pag gumawa tayo ng 3 bigat, kailangan mahaba yung radius natin. Ito na yung mangyayari guys pag tinupi natin to. Ito yung travel ko is 70 cm, hindi ko na ginawang 10-10, pero pwede nyo rin gawing 10 cm, 10 cm, 10 cm. So, diba, can you hold it again? I will bend also this one for the Tagalog. Tatanggalin natin to guys. Ito, kinuha ko na to. Iganon mo lang natin yan, 90 degrees na yan. Dahil ito yung reference natin. Dito sa gilid na to, makikita mo yung 90 degrees pag naka sa dito, ito yung yan, 90 degrees na yan. Kailangan natin right angle, pero wala akong right angle. Ilagay mo rito yung right angle, makikita mo yan dito, you use right angle.
Yes. No.
If you put this one, and then you'll make like this, you can know that this one is 90 degrees. At saka lagyan nyo ng put the plate or welding. This one, this is the hole of the plate.
Yes.
So this one.
As in plate, you put inside coils, but the
Plate like this.
the touching.
This is the plate,
Plate
connector plate.
Yeah, connector plate.
Like that.
Put then no
Also this one.
pada.
Ito din. Lagyan din natin ng plate, ganyan. Like that. Ito yung mangyayari niya. Itong connector plate natin, gano'n to. The same like this, connector plate.
Yeah, malum.
Like this.
Like this, malum.
That is the connector plate. Ito yung lalagay natin. Magiging magtatagpo na ito. Sige, salamat sa panonood. Ingat kayo lagi kung saan kayo naroroon. Ito yung kasama ko. Tandem ko sa pagbibideo. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.
And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.